Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's land loan services. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste any time at all, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance account. You can choose to log in on the online banking platform, that's the website, or you can choose to log in on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the land loan account that you want to manage. And once there, you can review your account balance as well as your transaction history. You could also use the Twoguysfinance land loan service to manage your land financing needs. You could always just review and update your account information as needed. And you could use the Twoguysfinance online banking platform, or you could use the mobile app to track your land loan activity. Also, if you ever need to contact a customer service, you can just do that if you have any questions or inquiries, and they're going to help you to answer those. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Twoguysfinance land loan services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.